Here's how to add an email pop-up on Shopify to offer your visitors a discount on their first order when they sign up. The first step is to set up the discounts that we're going to offer to the visitors. From your admin panel, click on Discounts. Then let's create a new discount and choose the amount of order. Let's enter the discount code, for example, 10 off. You can name it whatever you want, or you can also generate a random code. Next, for the discount value, we either have it as a percentage or a fixed amount. So I'm going to choose percentage and enter 10% here. Then let's scroll down and make sure to check this to limit to 1 use per customer. All right, let's save the changes. The next step is to install the Shopify Forms app to create our pop-up. This is a free app made by Shopify. You can find the link in the description. After you have installed the app, let's create a new form. Select the pop-up type and you can name your form whatever you want. Let's go over the most important settings. First, we have the text of the form, which is the title, the content itself, and we can also customize the fields of the form. For example, we can remove the first name. Next, we have the success settings. This is where we will connect the discount that we've created. So let's select it here. It's 10 off. So this is what appears after they submit the form, and they can copy the discount code by clicking on it. Next, we have some styling settings, colors and typography. And here we can add an image to the form. So let's select image right, for example, and I'll add an image here. For example, this one. And to preview it, we just need to click on this drop down and select form. And here's what it looks like. And finally, we have the behavior of the form, which controls when and where the pop-up appears. I'll keep the default settings, but I'll add 7 seconds before the pop-up is visible so that visitors have the time to check out the website. We also have some interesting settings, like the ability to add translations to the form, as well as sending a welcome email to new subscribers automatically. All right, we're done setting up the form. Now let's save it and let's turn it on. Now let's preview the form. We can use this drop down here and click on View on Online Store. After 7 seconds on any page of the website, the pop-up appears. If you can't see the form, open the theme editor and click on App Embeds and make sure the Forms app is enabled. Now let's go back to the form and add an email here. And after we submit the form, we can click here to copy the discount code. And on the checkout page, customers can enter the discount here. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.